Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to a little bit of a rain again. We might be in a stormy few days now. Huh. Oh boy. But I got my umbrella. Marcus is from Hamburg. He does not need anything.
Oh,
He has Crocs.
I'm not made out of sugar, and also I'm wearing Crocs.
All right.
So I don't care.
Okay.
But it's slippery sometimes, to be honest, with this Crocs.
So this is now, this is the day today. I filmed actually yesterday a few other videos, but I will give you a straight up update from the weather today. So I will post this today. There's a new coffee shop. I think they're open now. We definitely have to check this one out. Yeah. They have pancake, bacon, gluten-free pancakes.
Oh, look at this. Wave waterfall.
Julio Spa, 20 meters.
But something was wave.
Oh, this is where Luke always gets his whey protein. So here you can get whey protein shakes.
Wow. Let me check. They say peanut butter.
Wow. Organic, 42 grams of protein.
And it's grass-fed whey.
Grass-fed whey.
Grass-fed whey.
Yeah. Yeah, so the cow got grass-fed, and then the milk protein, the whey is out of that.
So that's the best you can have.
Yeah. So it's over here. What street name is that? I think it's Antung 30. Let's check. Antung 38. 38. It's in this street, guys. We're gonna walk over there.
Yeah.
Marcus can't get too wet. So now we have here the Kafu Cafe. I think it's properly open now. Yeah, I think it's open, Marcus. Yeah.
Okay.
I can see lots of Asian women, maybe Japanese. They don't look Vietnamese though. It is also Japanese, this cafe. Yeah. Second floor? Yeah. Ooh. We're definitely gonna check it out. I think they have English breakfast, but instead of bread, they have pancakes. Here's also a coffee shop and a gym upstairs. My God, I said, what a nasty weather again. Money exchange in this wood place here. Let's see what's new here. Lots of places always change here. Nasty weather.
This is closed.
Yeah, but it's... Barber shop here on the right. And a brand new building here. It's very stylish and dark gray.
Maybe it's an apartment building.
Yeah, maybe.
They don't have a balcony, or?
Balcony, yeah. Maybe the small thing there. The Hideout coffee shop. Very busy. Yeah. Especially when it's raining nowadays. It's always, all the coffee shops usually packed. But we went to CCP today and it was pretty empty, but they had a loud construction noise next door and also no electricity on the second floor.
Aquarium.
Whoa!
Let's go.
Do you think it's an aquarium or
You mean
a screen?
A screen? No, it seems like an aquarium.
Aquarium, yeah.
Wow.
Oh. It is aquarium, right?
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Nice. Okay.
Nice.
So what do I smell here?
But I don't know.
It's like a pipe. Oh, look at it. Ah, so this here. What is that? It's just a coffee shop. A gaming coffee shop. Everyone is getting ready for the national holiday. It's the whole weekend probably. It's a long weekend for everyone. The holiday is on the 2nd of September, but the majority, like also my wife, has off September 1st and 2nd. Sadly, it's going to be nasty weather, most likely. Hopefully, they will have good weather for the military parade on the 2nd of September in Hanoi. It's not that important here, but it's very important in Hanoi because they have this huge prepared parade, which I would love to see, but I don't want to deal with the with the traffic jams around Hanoi at that time probably. Woo. So we are walking right now to the Virtel store again. We want to fix something for the live stream to get more data. We're going to talk with them what they can offer us. We're going to have a juicy package.
Because when we have more data, we can invite more girls.
What does that mean, man?
No, because they're looking good, so they need more gigabytes.
Oh,
for the transmission.
Right. Wow. All right. Okay, Marcus. So Marcus is still single. Everyone can help together. So when you come to Da Nang for vacation, you just talk to a woman and introduce her to Marcus. Everyone who watched this gets one girl from Marcus. You want to come under me?
No, it's okay.
Huh?
I don't need
It's okay.
that.
Our umbrella is big enough for us.
Yeah.
Oh God, this gives me winter flashbacks. Look at how nasty and dirty it is here. That is not nice. But there's also no trash can anywhere here. That's the problem probably. Look at this. Look at how much trash it lays around here.
So nobody feels responsible for it.
Exactly. And since this is not a major tourist route, they just don't do anything. Here are the recycling bins. Definitely when you come to Vietnam, you have to try out the hair wash. It's so good and it's offered pretty much everywhere. What is this? Oh, snail shop. All right. So this is the Le Quan Dao, not Le Quan Dao, Chao Thi Vinh Te Street. I filmed it often. It goes all the way from here left, all the way there. Very busy. Lots of restaurants over there. Convenience stores. And more barbershops. Here on the left side is Mi Quang Dung. And it's one of my favorite Mi Quangs here. Oh wow, what's happening here?
This looks interesting.
Oh wow, this is gonna be a huge building, guys.
The Golden Sand Beach Boutique Hotel.
Oh wow. Okay, but those renderings are so misleading because that's not how the street looks.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, look at this, there's a new business.
Where?
Hey, new business alert, Mi Quang.
Oh,
Nice.
Isn't it the yellow shop?
Dude, yeah. No, I think the yellow shop was this. No, I don't know where the yellow shop. Or this one?
Like it's this one.
Boxing and stretching? It's a gym.
Oh, what the hell?
This is crazy.
It's new.
This is crazy. Everything changed.
The noodle place.
Yes. Oh, look at this. Okay. Look, this is the new gym here. Interesting. They're opening. Hello. Awesome.
Okay, very nice.
Oh, I think this is the owner.
Oh yeah, probably.
I don't want to disturb you. I'm just
No.
very curious what's going on here.
Yes.
New gym?
Yes, new gym. I think next week.
Next week?
Yes.
Awesome.
Next week open.
Okay.
2 or 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
We will take a look.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good day.
very
Hey, you can come.
Oh, I want to see when it's done.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay.
See you then. Okay.
Yeah.
See you next week.
You travel? Are you living here?
I will live here.
I live here.
Yeah.
Okay, so nice.
Yeah. We do YouTube.
Yes.
Okay. Have a good day. Okay.
Yes. Have a good day.
See you. All right, guys. Yeah, it looks very modern, the place.
If you
Interesting.
don't like picture, probably they
Yeah.
have AC running.
They have AC, yeah. And now also that they have boxing gym in there. Wow, the one, the biggest franchise in the world went into the knees and made space for Vietnamese business. Goodbye, Mixu.
Cafe Rock Ring.
Yeah, I have no idea what they're gonna do there.
Cafe.
Cafe, yeah. Right here, Lofi Garden. Then my favorite Ban Kun place. This is the worst, best business. The best product and just such a bad store. Yeah, and I'm very happy for it. Because it's the only reason this quality, best of the best, top-notch product can be that cheap. No way other way around. If this would be a nice place, it would be at least 5x the price. But the price and the quality, phenomenal. And the consistency, what is it? Not consistency. What is the word again? It's always good every day. Consistency. Oh, it's consistency. Okay. The consistency, it's always good. Perfect. I've ate probably there maybe 200 times. Ordered it. I have a huge problem with this dish. But yeah, those are the best. If you put the product into a nice place, I would take 10x. Oh, look at this sandwich chicken French tacos. That was my 50,000 dong hair barbershop. When I came to Da Nang, there was always the 50K barbershop. It was 45K barbershop, so $1.80.
It's happening a lot in this street.
Yeah, lots of new places coming up here. There you can get some birds feeding going on here. A rice place. Now we have to cross. There's a big Vietin bank over here on the left, and then we are almost there at the Vietel store. How wet are you, Marcus?
Not wet enough.
That's what she said. All right, this is the main road here. Hamburg Süd! Hello!
To be honest, what is the word from today?
What is the word for today? Wachtmeister.
Wachtmeister?
Security guard.
Security guard, yeah.
Yes.
Wachtmeister.
Because we just saw one security guard. All right. So this is the Vietel store. Now we're gonna get everything fixed. Oh, look at this.
Igor.
Yeah. Grüß Gott.
No more internet for you.
All right, guys, we made everything. Vietel. We have done every change, and now we're getting a grab because it's a nasty rain. I hope it will stop. Probably not, but most likely next week when the storm is over. There's another one piling up somewhere. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video, which is very nice. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.